guys, we're down here in our basement kitchen, and I'm sitting beside this little wine chiller that we really don't use anymore, but we've been using it for a cheese cave. The refrigerator gets a little too cold for the cheese, so this works out real well for that. And I'm going to show you what we've made. This is a 4-pound block of pepper jack cheese. Now, we wanted to make this and store it before we ever showed how to make it on YouTube, because we don't want to give you guys any false information intentionally. I'm sure we do, but anyway, we're going to store this for about 2 to 3 months if we can hold off before we ever dig into it. And when we cut it, we'll film that and show that also. But anyway, we want to make a video on making cheese using the press that I reconfigured. Is that the word?
Yeah.
From a wine press into a cheese press, and I'll put a link up there to show you what I did. But anyway, guys, we're going to take you upstairs, show you what we got in the mail. Then we're going to take you outside and show you what we're going to do with it. Then Josie's going to take you to the hen den and show you the chicks for an update. Anyway, you guys stay healthy, stay tuned, and we'll catch you later. Got a package in the mail today, and I'm going to open it up here and show you what we got. Something we ordered. It's from Gurney's. It's amazing how much paper products are in here. Look here. Dental insurance. This here I don't know if you can see it. We're going to plant it outside in just a little bit. It is a blackberry. It's a Primark, which is more of a vertical plant rather than a bush type. So we're going to be planting this baby in just a little bit. Put it outside, and hopefully it will do well for us. We love blackberry jelly. Jam. Is it jelly or jam? Jam. We love blackberry jam.
Check this out, guys. It was in the paperwork with our blackberries that we just got. It's called kangaroo rhubarb, and it comes from Australia. We have a lot of trouble growing rhubarb here because it gets too hot and it dies out on us. So it ends up having to be an annual plant. So this is expensive, $29.99 for one plant, but I'm going to order it and give it a try, because if it'll grow here and perform year after year, it's well worth it. Otherwise, we have to plant it every single spring to get rhubarb, and then we don't get very much at all. So just thought you might be interested. This comes from Gurney. looks like a pretty good plant. Nice and healthy. These crazy little chicks are doing really well. They hatched 1 week ago today, and their wing feathers,
How you know when they hatched?
because I read on the receipt,
Oh.
they hatched at 5 a.m. 1 week ago today.
Oh,
Anyway, their little wing feathers are starting to fill in, and they're so cute.